3, 2, 1.
What is a trunk often used for in furniture? The answer is A. Storage. In 2008, Chile established a partnership on trade, environment, and agriculture with what U.S. state? The answer is A. California. A student climbs up a rocky mountain trail in Maine. She sees many small pieces of rock on the path. Which action most likely made the small pieces of rock? The answer is C. Ice breaking large rocks apart. Which is not a Gothic architectural style characteristic? The answer is C. Round arches. Which company owns the domain name Google.com? The answer is A. Google Inc. If a cell is exposed to a chemical that inhibits the production of spindle fibers as the cell is preparing for mitosis, what would most likely happen? The answer is D. The cell would not divide. Where is Queen Victoria buried? The answer is C. Frogmore, Windsor. Mount Vesuvius, that is notorious for the destruction of 2 Roman cities in the year 79, was linked most closely to which hero and demigod? The answer is C. Hercules. What causes the changes of puberty? The answer is A. Estrogen. What has 4 legs and is often used for sitting, but can't walk? The answer is D. Ottoman. Which celestial object is not a planet, but was once considered one? The answer is A. Pluto. What is the traditional Jewish prayer book called? The answer is D. Siddur. Who was the first person to walk on the Earth-Moon? The answer is D. Ed White. What goes up and down but never moves from its spot? Interest rates. The answer is D. Interest rates. Who developed the theory of tabula rasa? The answer is D. John Locke. Who was the first female Chancellor of Germany? The answer is B. Margaret Thatcher. What is the study of the Earth's interior called? The answer is B. Astronomy. During a laboratory investigation, a student cracks a clean, empty Erlenmeyer flask. It does not break, but it can no longer be used. Where should the flask be placed? The answer is C. Broken glass bin. A bowling ball with a mass of 8.0 kg rolls down a bowling lane at 2.0 m/s. What is the momentum of the bowling ball? The answer is D. 16.0 kg x m/s. What is the most popular color for women's clothing worldwide? The answer is A, black. What is the longest human tunnel formed by linked hands? The answer is D, 137,000 people. Which is not a type of cloud storage? The answer is D, Dropbox Local. What is the goal in ice hockey called? The answer is D, hockey goal. How low must be a population of some species dropped before it is extinct? The answer is C, to nothing. What bird, endemic to Africa, is depicted on the coats of arms of Sudan and the Republic of South Africa? The answer is B, secretary bird. I twinkle because of Earth's atmosphere. Who am I? The answer is A, star. What is the brightest object in the night sky not including the moon? The answer is A, Venus. What is the national language of Brazil? The answer is A, Portuguese. What type of rock is a sandstone? The answer is C, sedimentary rocks. Which Muppet Show character blows the trumpet at the end of the opening song? The answer is D, Gonzo. Which president led the United States during World War I?
The answer is B, Woodrow Wilson.
What is the tallest living creature on Earth? The answer is A, giraffe. Which of these was never a 60 Minutes reporter? The answer is D, Bill O'Reilly. Which hurricane is the deadliest in U.S. history? The answer is C, Camille. What is the largest even composite number less than 50? The answer is C, 36. Which language was used in the original drafting of the U.S. Constitution? The answer is A, English. What branch of philosophy or metaphysics deals with the study of being and existence? The answer is A, ontology. Which animal can't walk backwards? The answer is D, dog. The Dead Sea, The lowest exposed point on Earth's surface has an average depth of how many feet centimeters below sea level? The answer is B, 1,350 ft 410 m. What is the breed of animal created from the crossing of a female lion and a male tiger? The answer is D, Tigon. What is the primary function of a transistor? The answer is C, switch. What is so full of keys that it can't open any door? The answer is A, piano. In 1927, Austrian baker and confectioner Eduard Haas invented what? The answer is D, PVZ candy. Which continent has the most diverse ecosystems? The answer is B, North America. Who is generally considered the first great Rococo painter? The answer is C, Jean-Antoine Watteau. Who is the philosopher known for the moral law? The answer is A, Friedrich Nietzsche. What is the main ingredient in ratatouille, a French vegetable stew? The answer is C, eggplant. The number of moles of solute in 1 kg of solvent is defined as what? The answer is D, molarity. What is a dust devil? The answer is A, a type of tornado. In the 1500s, translating the Bible was almost illegal. A strong public opinion was widespread that the Bible should not be translated into common languages. Where was that?